How to do: stay awake in lecture classes. Don't let your professor catch you snoring. These tips will help keep your eyelids from drooping in class. Instructions. Step 1. Take an interest in the material presented in the lecture. Make a point to learn at least 3 new facts each class. Step 2. Take notes by hand. Writing down the information presented in a lecture will help you retain the knowledge and keep you focused. Did you know? Did you know? According to one survey, only 15% of teens reported getting 8.5 hours of sleep on a school night. Step 3. Drink plenty of water. Dehydration can affect concentration. Quick tip: avoid eating too many carbohydrates before the lecture, as carbs raise serotonin levels and cause drowsiness. Quick tip: practice a bedtime routine, such as brushing your hair, to help you sleep at night. Step 4. Take morning classes that start at 9:30 or 10 o'clock instead of 7:30. Biological changes cause sleep patterns to shift in teenagers, making them want to stay up later and sleep longer. Step 5. Eat healthy snacks. Foods with folate, such as green vegetables, whole grains, and orange juice, help you stay alert. Step 6. Get plenty of sleep. People in their late teens and early 20s need 9 to 10 hours of sleep per night.